Click on the link below to get price. Introducing the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit, a hybrid mirrorless camera designed with versatility in mind. With the RF-S18-45mm F4.5-6.3 lens included, this kit aims to cater to a wide range of photography and videography needs, making it an appealing choice for aspiring content creators and enthusiasts alike. At first glance, the Canon EOS R50 showcases a compact and lightweight design, which is particularly advantageous for those who often find themselves on the go. The mirrorless setup allows for a sleek body without sacrificing performance, making it suitable for both casual shooting and more serious projects. The ergonomic grip provides comfort during extended use, and the intuitive button layout simplifies navigation, allowing users to focus more on creativity rather than technical complexities. One of the standout features of the R50 is its 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor. This sensor is capable of delivering high-resolution images with impressive detail and clarity. Additionally, the camera supports 4K video recording, offering flexibility for videographers looking to capture high-quality footage. The inclusion of the RF-S18-45mm lens further enhances its versatility, providing a focal length suitable for a variety of shooting scenarios, from sweeping landscapes to intimate portraits. The autofocus system in the EOS R50 is another noteworthy element. Canon has equipped this camera with dual-pixel CMOS AF technology, which helps achieve rapid and accurate focusing even in challenging lighting conditions. This feature is especially beneficial for those capturing fast-moving subjects, ensuring that moments are not missed. When it comes to usability, the R50 shines with its vari-angle touchscreen LCD. This display not only allows for easy framing from different angles but also facilitates vlogging and self-portraits, making it a practical tool for content creators who often work alone. The camera also offers a range of creative shooting modes and filters, allowing users to experiment and express their artistic vision. In conclusion, the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit is positioned as a versatile and user-friendly option for both photography and video. With a combination of a high-quality sensor, flexible lens, and a range of thoughtful features, it caters to a broad spectrum of creative needs. Ideal for those venturing into content creation or looking to upgrade their gear, this camera kit offers a solid foundation for capturing moments in both stills and motion.